Imagine hearing a constant, untraceable low-frequency hum that no one else can hear. For 2% of the global population, this is a daily nightmare. From Taos, New Mexico, to Bristol, England, the hum drives people to the brink of insanity. What could be causing it? Is it secret technology, Earth's natural vibrations, or just mass hysteria? Those affected report insomnia, nausea, and even relocating to escape the maddening sound. If faced with the hum, what would be the first theory? Real-life psychological horror or hidden science? Dive into the mystery and explore the unknown. Follow at Trivia Bros for more unexplained phenomena.